On the same yamin becount.
Okay.
And I only am yamin, we know we also make coming to say, we can say my come out and every rapper be entitled to boast. Somebody is really used.
Yeah.
My come out and I won't think Fabian. I feel like it's the same.
There's a sack of the background still now you did.
Oh, not a rap day. I've been there. Rap or Pana say rap on Quantia, Fleming Gazoo, or be intimidating segment of the Seminaco, David.
Hello, you're more call by Eba Polino Multimedia. So, subscribe it, subscribe it. Na click it, notification bell, no send a 10 baby post video piano, Obenyani Street. We Amrado Oko interview, DJ KA. DJ KA will be a Silver FM, Kumasi, and what being ye entertainment industry name. Now, Emra only DJ KA and come out you no, and it drew time I was say a more moody and a tea for no. Started friend na omoka omo ebi a supportive message na say encourage bi omo ka kire artist no na ba ko friend na the friend no asem o kan ne say Amrado enyai say o say oye best rapper na omo ebechi no abono because waba Asante Music Awards ne dia omo bechi no abono empo oto aso ka say enye eboro keke na omo de sekan ebe wo no ensemi na DJ KS abrantie wo number abawo nti se wo ye bibia ye bema a police for acho na asama abrantie ne kan ne say DJ K nye ne sa wo because eno strong man ene ti flow mu wo ho nti ni kwan say Amrado e ka say ono na eye best rapper in Ghana na asemi na eye say ene Amrado na nkasa nti oni Amrado kasa na Amrado bisa ne say abrantie na o say oba awards na obeye meden o say me de sekan ebe wo asem no emodu ye nya asem trasa I mean yen hwe na enyoma bi wo ho a yen hwe ni nsi akire kwan because mo ka say akire artist e radio so I mean ubo no hu na say epie kura ho no ebe ye ne den yen hwe de nsema o ka kire Amrado
Paul de Bianco, Paul Yente, Amrado, our best rapper. Aha.
Amrado, they say Amrado no sir.
Aha.
Best rapper. As I'm talking about the promo now.
Yeah,
say. Strong man, put down on me a best rapper, or a best rapper. Hey, never know to cover to we are at 70 at the end to go rapper band on what they say. Yes, the start the band so big.
In Rusa, Timmy, in Rusa, no, Minia, Timmy, in Rusa, I'll say. Jumani and say, yeah, your musical beef. What's your say? Or no, and a cassette or your best rapper. It is a one in your way, and again, Mr. Oyasa, one Casano who bet me a chance a number of the fray. You're Shannon, so you bet me the number and your track. So, what's your say there?
You don't care on your good, the best rapper, no down on your good. Strong man, you know, your best rapper.
I'm rather person can be Mitchell. I'm rather person can be Mitchell. I'm rather.
Nana. Amrado say.
O say Obama gang guy dey. Hey, o say Obama gang guy dey. David. But I say nothing. Why?
That's January. I can be today. I'm a man who can never mean Julia. Talent to live in a woman speak. What function and a better to see who you level never. Starting from the journey, becoming home guy. Who team me away a guy locked down COVID-19, stay safe. I'm rather than at the mic burner freestyle.
And the banner. Okay, me guy, you must need feel how I was spitting on Charlie.
You put your minimum change, you know.
Yeah, because you're telling catch and Nanki Bahon say you're telling catch. You mean now London there, but
yeah.
Now by a new to me quarantine one now by before
me buy them say month later na COVID ne bag Ghana.
Oh,
but I'm cool.
Oh,
but no. They call checks for the hospital. When them negative.
Oh, yeah, then yes. Next, who say bibi ba.
Oh, need
someone has an award to be bold. Now I'm rather about beef will cost. Are you in support of the beef now? Air cost no.
Beef the idea one answer the idea fine.
When young woman inquire the way and yum to mudiano.
Oh, the beef be across the Amatiana rappers. I saw the dropping them. You get it then.
Okay.
I feel like people are saying it's directed to us in a way, but I feel like every rapper is entitled to his or her
opinion.
Flow and after her mindset will be an opinion. You get it.
Yeah.
So they are dropping them up. And they are more like on one of them say, oh, but now I got to do this way and after this way. But until that, some also drop a fish down on the money of you say, oh, okay, then I'm, many people. Which is according to the nomination is targeted at one person.
Yeah, a cut across.
Yes.
Now who, man?
Oh, maybe I'm not sure. My godfather, I'm not sure.
Oh, okay.
Now, who gives me for uncle and now the chance I'm found good.
Yeah.
You know, aside said, there's a totally back rap music on and because we show my rap music, I be a man for Blogana. And your rap music, I'm not sure that it's having come away.
Yeah, no crap.
You get it in.
No crap.
You shut a kind and I said, one can ye be back. So I say, this time here, COVID Abena will be a dropping him there. So this time, you also a face concert.
No crap.
You get it into be an entertainment. The first thing I have done is said you.
It do profit class there and there was some trust because I never a TV near you any but the hand is and go overboard.
Yeah, you get it. So, in as much as beef, of course, they are soon active, but they are very beef. Yeah, the answer if he's a rap, and a rap. So that's it. Yeah.
Paulino multimedia have for be bring my me and say what here will be or bar stops. Then before then why bar stop?
Okay, bar stop no the whole idea behind it was that engineer no go beat no but I too beat no pour your heart out.
Okay.
And it's been a while I'm sure that rap anchors because people feel like I'm rado. You say our done, I'm rado on drop PBM and answer. Sometimes you have to study the game. Which you know sometimes I'll drop switch commercialize.
Yeah, no crap.
But people brain so I ain't conquered. You know more say kind of old rap. The past stop basically means that I'm gonna stop rapping for this year and I'm gonna stop rapping for a while and then maybe kickstart later. But now it's all about hit songs. It's all about getting the masses, doing the commercial vibe. So past stop means me no rap away for now.
Okay.
So be there.
Okay. So and come back say I'm not doing a private major rap side. Okay. Now you will see this. Na the okay you say when Shatawale enya adwen say or they say rapping entirely but rap music entirely but then Kwaku Smoke so et say no and also they ekoye enyom say the shatter can on enya adwen but why then a bus stop no as a we say we try na chikakra.
Yeah, me can say you smoke. Many you know, but you have to be careful with loyalty.
Okay.
You only get involved when it matters. Money now, the guy long no. Guy so don't champagne in phone talk you focus on your craft. You get it?
Yeah.
Because Sasako the any asema na Shatawale nenya. We a young boy I feel no about.
Okay.
So abonyam na hit na perform ya. Unko performance Sasako di.
Yeah.
You don't need to take sides. Those people you see no one of them also. Shatawale were tweeting me that on Instagram that. It means because Shatawale who finish this year. We show Nima and also we show Jamestown.
Yeah.
It's just an advice to my little brother. Yeah, and also my brother because we've been here 4 years new.
Yeah.
Last year or so, you know. So we go on as a I should tell you in a nice way. And I didn't diss him. I'm not scared to say medicine could smoke on any day though, but just back stop I didn't diss him. But if it feels like Magdalene there then when you're rapper, I was on TV and I'll be a bit and I was on TV because they can just say you smoke, focus on making the hits, not forget the loyalty, and never to drink a chronic production.
Maybe I never they also if you say baby abusumpi that line no.
Say ben na me bu me ka ken say you smoke uni se nyankopon no so ken abusumpi on oh ya dia ju tutu na tumi bi echi enkofo na wo de so na those people are ugaba beto mo so
then
they are the illest artists.
Then when I was be gyro up yes I dey will be high you. But then uye sa baz ni na last one na ho kan bibi say we enye this ana bibi sa
yeah, song is not rap beef.
Yeah, but
an advice, but at the end of the rap, if you feel like I've dissed you or if you feel like yeah, me chairman about rap music, and fadia fado.
Okay. Now, in a way, you are calling for that beef. Say, on no one yard drink.
The only main yard drink on family was so on the better than beef because you see the way I'm on.
Okay. And to me, is why you're ready for the or drinks or no one yard drink.
I'm a rapper. I'm always ready.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's also self-confidence and arrogance. As a rapper, you have to be ready. On the same, I'm in the count.
Okay.
And I only also becoming to say, we just say, my comedy, and every rapper be entitled to boast. That's what is we use.
Yeah.
My comedy, I feel like it's the same.
There's a sack of the background still now you did.
Oh, not a rap day. I've been there. Rap or panel say rap on Quandia, sending Gazoo, or be intimidating and say, which already the Semenaco, David David. I found France grabbing my out.
Oh, okay. No correct. Yeah, Kumasi boys no crying shema.
We respect our legends, but we don't really wanna like say because of so many legends, you know, you can't own shit.
Okay.
I am capable of doing it.
Sure. Now, then fans now expected from now and also after COVID-19.
Okay, after COVID-19, no surprise band be my boys. Many singers, you know, one of the top singers in town. I mean, one of the A-list artists. I'm a rapper. Yes. Those are the main songs I'm gonna drop after the COVID-19.
Oh, okay. And COVID-19, I put to be now. They be my and I say, we are seeing because we hear from our various homes.
Yeah, right now, but they need to make a 50 measures now, buying it. And running for the and you follow new and stay safe, stay indoors, don't go out, social distancing, try to keep yourself clean at any time. I will be to me. Hopefully, if I proceed, I feel like most will be showing something maybe I know I don't report and I won't ban. That's how it is. So you just all have to be careful. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Before you be Jao Kran, my last one, you can say bye bye.
Okay. I grab the mic and all you can see where power lies. See your rapper mic pull aside, but I never mind. The previous video, they are who same people daily guide and how of yours I told them said your motive to a cat at the white. Communal labor, no way you be a boy, me I own the bar, what you want by some of the pine to sacrifice him to a marble so move it out to a conformity in a national river down. Moncano Crano said your tear no fabudino, my dear son, yeah, you cruise in your saying, you be when you are young eternal. Then you want Bofano shine, a fresh shiny opinion. It wasn't a idea that will need so and who are among guys.
Dana. Yes, I mean, da JJ Gum. And they say they are Canada, catch or more names say, bar stop a this Nina say, oh, the Ujum who this all your rapper Fabulous.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yes, I quite you or your manifesto or the Ujum.
Yeah, respect to the legends, though, but we are up.
Yeah. No, any, that's a say only as you train come on Polino multimedia. Yeah, that's a pie, you better throw it. Okay, bye. I have 4 way. I'm rather banner. Any energy chain come on or come for an answer or champion only masem can or send an away. They were summa.